I'm Sheriff Bud Torres from Louisiana, and my story is a little bit different. I haven't traveled that much. I've been living at the same address my whole life. I'm 13th generation Louisiana resident, and my family's been here for over 300 years. My experience in music, played a little music in high school in a little band, and got some experience there performing, and wound up becoming a Louisiana State Trooper and stayed with that department 25 years. And once I retired and came home, I decided to run for sheriff in Pointe-Coupee Parish, the county that I'm from, and was elected, and been there 6 years on my second term. And it's a very interesting career. My background, I've seen a lot of stuff. Being a detective with Louisiana State Police gave me a broad base of experience and people, and I'm trying to capture that passion as far as what Louisiana is to me. I know a lot of people are infatuated with us, with a lot of the reality shows and different things, but we're very passionate here because of our culture and isolation for years. We kind of grew up on our own, so to speak, and that passion for music, football, cooking, everything. Louisiana is one of those places where we have dealt with natural and man-made disasters forever. Floods of the river, hurricanes, epidemics, and just calamity after calamity. And it's that pain and suffering that happens here. It makes you appreciate the good times. So in Louisiana, people don't get it outside of Louisiana, but when things are good and things are right, it's a celebration. So I try to reflect that in my sound, my music, the broad base of influences from Hank Williams playing in Shreveport at the Louisiana Hayride, Jerry Lee Lewis being a Louisiana boy from Concordia Parish, just upriver from me. You've got Fats Domino in New Orleans, Zydeco, Cajun music. All of that mixed together culminates in what I try to express in my music, and having a great time with it, enjoying it, and you know, want to just share that with the rest of the country. And so far, people seem to be responding to it and like it, and we're just going to keep on making music. This little song I wrote is called "Damn the Rain." It was written this summer. We were having just torrential rains for a couple of weeks out here, and it gets like that sometimes. And my son was working on his house, and he was opening the French doors on the front of it. He wanted to try and get some work done, and he just started complaining about the rain. And I said, you know what, maybe that's an idea for a song. So a little song called "Damn the Rain." On the day we met, sun was shining bright. Told me that you love me, not a cloud in sight. How was I to be so blind? Think the sun would always shine. Damn the rain, damn the rain. It's raining so hard on me till it's a shame. Love grew cold, clouds roll in. I thought that we could work it out, but I'll never see the sun again. You caused me so much pain. When you walked out, it started to rain. Damn the rain, damn All I do is sit and cry and watch the rain come down. Can't seem to shake these blues. All I see is clouds. But you know one day this all will change. I look up and see the sun again. Damn the rain.